can see, the project has now moved to its final stage. We have the marquee at the top, just running off a power pack and the Bluetooth module like I explained in the previous video. You can see on the screen it's there, and the cartridge and the NeoGeo standing alone. I will actually point to the screen and mark it at the same time and change the game. Now I've got Blues Journey, I think it's called. Blues Journey. Again, I'll change breakers and the game breakers. That's 10 presses. Captain Tomaday. Oh, cross swords now actually. Unfortunately the pointer is on the screen because technically I'm running this as a display within a display. I have actually got some code to get rid of the mouse, but at the moment it's a little bit flaky and sometimes I do have to restart the program manually. I have wrote a little bit of code which automatically restarts on error. Of course, if I need to edit anything, then it becomes a bit of a pain because the program automatically starts to run as the machine boots. So I've got to find some way of being able to exit the program. What I can actually do is actually bring up the list. I'll scroll through randomly and just release. We've got Mr. Do. Near Mr. Do. The marquee actually matches. I did have a problem with the screensaver kicking in and making the machine go black. Now that did cause me some issues to start off with because I thought it was the actual program. I'd forgotten something and it was just giving me a black screen, and I realised later it was actually the actual screensaver. So I've done some code to actually stop the screensaver. The native Raspberry Pi desktop does not have a GUI to turn off the screensaver, so that was a bit of an issue. And as you can see, the little trick that the Razula, the guy who wrote the Universe BIOS, actually took the intro from the beginning of King of Fighters 99. So when the actual NeoGeo intro comes up, King of Fighters 99 appears on the actual display, and then obviously it resorts back to the game it was going to select prior to that. But yeah, other than the battery pack being connected to the screen, the only thing connected to it is Bluetooth. The wire is just onto the battery pack. But yeah, now just got to case it up and move it onto a Raspberry Pi W, I think, because it's a Raspberry Pi 3 at the moment. It's a little bit bigger and bulkier and power hungry, so what I'm going to do is reduce that size. But other than that, project's done. Again, anything I've got connected to this is a joystick. I press the button and the screen changes. Again, press the button, screen changes, press again, screen and marquee changes, press again. You pretty much go down to an art now. I did have problems before with it timing out if you press the button too fast, and obviously serial data would get sent. And the incorrect display would come up. But now I've actually put some redundancy code in there. We'll actually send it 3 times and check against itself just to make sure it's actually selected the right display. But other than that, it's actually working and I'm happy about it.